Okay, I'm Ava. My project is it's to assist the visually impaired, and what I have is ultrasonic sensors that send out a signal and it bounces off solid objects and receives it back and tells the Teensy like how far away objects are, and then it inputs that into this this device that then sends it into your ears and tells you whether an object, as you're getting like closer or farther away from an object. And also it's stereo, so this sensor corresponds to this ear and this one to this ear. And then, so I can walk around blind and not bump into things.
Oh, okay, I'm going to get real close to your ear because I can actually hear it. Oh, that's cool. Perfect. Thank you.